Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now most of you have been complaining about the heat at night and daytime. So here is a simple mocha ice cream recipe that will lower your body temperature. And guess what? You only need 3 ingredients for this. What's even better, you don't need an ice cream machine. Before I let you in on the recipe, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you've already done so, thank you very much. Lately, the rants on social media revolve around the weather. Well, it's that time of the year when the sun is overhead the equator. Now the weatherman calls it the equinox. Here is a simple 3-ingredient mocha ice cream recipe to try out at home. For your mocha ice cream, you'll need the following ingredients: whipping cream, coffee mixed with milk for the mocha flavor, and condensed milk. Now if you don't have condensed milk, please watch my episode 2 video on how to make it at home. The link is included in the description box below. When it comes to preparation, this is what you will do. Get a bowl, place in your whipping cream and whisk or use a hand mixer. Do this until it gets foamy. Then add condensed milk. Like I said before, check the description box below to see how to make condensed milk at home. Then add the coffee and milk mixture for the mocha flavor. Mix the combination for 5 minutes with a hand mixer. However, if you are using a whisk, you'll need to take more time because you have to mix it until it gets foamy. Lastly, add in your chocolate chips or not. It depends on your preference. Mix it some more and then place the mixture in a dish and put it in the freezer for 6 to 10 hours. For the best results, you can leave it overnight. When it's frozen, remove it and serve it. It's as simple as ABC. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Until next time, bye.